Hi, welcome to Meso. My name is Nico Sanchez. I am the executive chef. We've been in the business for just over 8 years. We have 6 locations throughout the DFW area. We specialize on food from central and southern Mexico, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what we do here. House-made corn tortillas, pressed by hand, every single one of them. It's a long process of doing it, and this is what we use for our enchiladas and tacos. Our famous queso right here. Everybody gets the queso. We use mesquite and hickory to cook that beautiful. We're gonna show you a few other dishes right now. And I'm gonna plate our pork chop or chuleta de cerdo with a little elote in there. Carne asada, black beans, sweet corn tamale, #1 seller for the restaurant.